Welcome to my channel. Today on my channel, I'll be teaching you how to prepare turkey stew. Come with me guys and I'll show you the ingredients I'll be using today. Here I've got my seasoning cube ready. Here I've got my rapeseed oil ready. I've got salt to taste ready. I've got palm oil ready. I've got my Derica ready. I've got jumbo ready and my seasoning ready. Right here I've got tomato, bell pepper, onion, garlic, Scotch bonnet, and I've got ginger ready. Here I'll be using this blender today because I want my tomato to be roughly blended. Here I've got my washed turkey ready to be seasoned. And guys, it is time to get cooking. Come with me guys and let's get cooking. First, I'm going to start by seasoning my turkey. In goes my onion, in goes my seasoning, in goes my seasoning cube, in goes my salt to taste, in goes my garlic, in goes my ginger. Add a little bit of water, stir and cover to cook. After 5 minutes, come back and stir your turkey. Then cover and allow to cook. Now it's time for us to blend our peppers. Peppers have been washed and cleaned. And in here I've got my onion, garlic, Scotch bonnet, bell pepper. I've got ginger and tomatoes. After blending, I'll proceed to frying my turkey. As you can see, my pan has heated up nicely. I'm going to add my rapeseed oil, allow it to heat up a little bit. Now it's ready. I'm going to start adding my turkey. Allow to fry on one side and then turn to the other side. Allow to fry until golden brown. When it's brown, your turkey is ready. Continue the same process until you finish frying the rest of your turkey. Now I've finished frying my turkey, is ready. Now it's time for us to start cooking our stew. My pot has heated up. I'm going to add my palm oil and afterwards add oil from the one I used to fry my turkey. Honestly, if you try this style, you will enjoy it. It is yummy. Now it has heated up. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. In goes a little bit of salt. And now it's time to add my onion. In goes my onion, stir, allow to fry for a minute. After that, in goes my blended peppers. Now, you can fry your peppers this way when you're making stew. Ensure you fry properly so as to avoid the sour taste in your stew. For some people, they still parboil before frying. That also is good. But you know what? Even if you did not parboil before frying, you can fry properly as long as there's no water when you blended your tomatoes. Fry dry your tomatoes and you will get a perfect stew. It has fried for 10 minutes. Now it's time to add my tomato Derica. In goes my tomato Derica, stir and allow to fry for at least 15 to 20 minutes depending on the quantity of your stew. Now, if you're frying, it is important to keep testing to ensure that the sour taste is totally gone. Now it has fried for 15 minutes. I'm going to quickly add my seasoning. In goes my seasoning, stir. In goes my seasoning cube and salt to taste, stir. I'm going to allow it to cook for another 5 minutes. Guys, if you want to know the ingredients I used for my stew, go to my description box below and you will find it there. Next, I'm going to add my stock. In goes my stock, stir and allow to fry for another 5 minutes before adding my fried turkey. It has fried for 5 minutes now. In goes my turkey. Look at that. Isn't that yummy? My stew is almost ready. You know, when this goes in, it just takes a couple of minutes and your stew will be ready. Now with this stew, you can have it with rice, you can have it with boiled yam, you can have it with bread, you can have it with fried plantain. Whatever you want to have your stew with is perfect. You can even have it with chips, as long as it's something you will really enjoy. I'm going to allow the stew to cook for another 3 minutes so the turkey can absorb the stew. It makes it taste really yummy. Look at that. It is delicious, it's tasty and mouth-watering. What are you waiting for, guys? Have you already subscribed? Now it's time for us to serve. Stew have been served. It is yummy and I can't wait to dig into my stew. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go to the right side of your phone, you will see subscribe, press subscribe, and also don't forget to turn on the notification button so whenever I post my video, you will be notified. I'm sure you guys enjoyed watching today's video. Do not forget to share, do not forget to like, and like I said earlier, do not forget to subscribe. Also, turn on your notification button so whenever I post my video, you will be notified. Thank you all for watching and have a beautiful new week and happy Valentine's to you all. Remain blessed and bye-bye. Ciao.